You want my spot flash? Huh? Well, you ain't gon' get it, cause you ain't got it.
Flying on the bike, he was speeding on the four-wheeler. Dudes you hang with will be your killers. Price of life is cheap, and if they offer nigga more thriller, there's no loyalty, he gon' kill you. Now follow up with this hollow stuff. My shit is crack, I had to bottle up, and I serve the streets, so acknowledge us. I'm smoking weed, speeding in a truck. The dudes is basically squares and rectangles. You ain't fitting in here. My shit with a flair, and what I spit, I'm living it. Yeah, I sit in a chair, polo from the 90s, my man. Deliver the fear. Your heart is no realness in there. You niggas is weird. My juice glitter, cinnamon ears. Shit, you niggas rhyme soft. And my man been waiting just to shoot his fucking 9 off. So nigga take some time off. My man been waiting all this time to let that 9 off. So get the ducking, my nigga. Take some time off. Yeah, he used to love the pro handle on the pistol. If you ever had an issue, see you later, nigga. He was laying niggas off in the streets with that heat. If you short on that paper, he was the chef in the kitchen. Wrist game, how we whipping with the drugs. He was a baker. Yeah, he used to love the pearl handle on the pistol. If you ever had an issue, see you later. Yeah, that's right. This nigga back like he never left. My man was doing 20 years. He was selling fat. In the streets deep, riding with the metal tech. And they sending shots in the air. That's how you settle that. In the winter, bring the summer, shooting off like Westbrook. He a gunner. Now I'm blowing gas guzzler. I ain't talking about the Hummer. Nigga letting off that thumper. Letting off that thumper, turn you niggas to some runners. Really, it's a bummer. Air Max and I chill posted. My polo shirt and my brain roasted. I'm blowing gas out the wood, super high if you take notice. Your drug hotels are straight bogus. This to take over. I drop ass on the strip and get cash. You still looking for a tip, and you worry.